to the Rolling Flavors of DeKalb food truck reveal. We are so excited to have everyone here today to see our new program coming to DeKalb County CTAE through our partnership with Intuit for Education. Our students will embark on this mobile classroom to travel throughout DeKalb, providing delicious flavors, but also exploring the business and entrepreneurial side of running a full-fledged business.
So Intuit is about powering prosperity around the world, and to do that, giving entrepreneurial skills to students where they can create what business they want to launch, what menus they want to have, who their team is going to be. All of that is so important for them to learn at a young age so that when they become future business owners, they are also prospering.
This is incredible. We are the coolest in the state by far. There is not one of these in Georgia. There is not one of these in the Southeast, and we won. So now we've got the partnership. Our students get the benefit. We are amazing. This is awesome.
One of the things that we thrive on in CTAE is developing partnerships with industry partners. And so we are so grateful to Intuit for their trust in us, for their decision to offer this opportunity to the DeKalb County schools. The reach is far and wide, and so we are excited about all the things to come.
At Intuit, our mission is to power prosperity around the world. And how do we give opportunities for everyone to prosper? And for me, as a communications professional, it's all about storytelling. But you can't have great stories without great action. And so for me, it's like, how are we putting our mission into action? How are we putting what Intuit does best, which is finances, and putting it in the hands of the next generation?
What we like to say is that this isn't just about helping students have a mobile classroom for their culinary skills, but it's about building the next generation of entrepreneurs. So we work for Intuit for Education, and that is all about bringing the tools and the resources to the students who are going to be the next generation of small business owners, and helping them to use what they love now, which might be cooking, and apply some of the resources that Intuit can bring to the table, and help them marry those two things so that they come out of their high school experience not just having better skills as a culinary artist, but also being really ready to be the next generation of entrepreneurs.
It feels amazing. It's super exciting. Like, we just get to cook everything, every night to people. So I'm really excited for it.